Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of our channel's Decrypt for Dummies. And the first video, we will tell you how to build SHA function, hash function from scratch. All right, let's get into it. My name is Sun, and yeah, I'm your instructor for the videos today. And these videos we designed for the dummies, so there's no programming required and only high school math is needed. So don't worry about that. I think everyone that you interested in hash function, you will can understand the videos. What is hash function? Simply put, it's a thing that takes input, no matter what, how long it is, and then you produce the random output that looks so random. Sometimes we call it digest, sometimes we call it hash, but yeah, it looks so random. And why we learn hash function? Because it's like a Swiss knife of cryptography. It's a part of the building blocks that many cryptographic tools use and build on top of it. So it's very useful if you really understand how hash function works and why we build it from scratch. Because if we build it ourselves, if we understand to the first principle, we understand it. That's why I'm gonna teach you how it works under the hood. All right. And what are the use cases of hash function? So firstly, you can prove something that it's identically the same. For example, password. User can type in your password and then you can hash it and then you can compare the hash in your database. Or in case you download the file from the internet, sometimes they provide the digest or hash and you can compare it. That is the same file as the internet, as the website claim. Digital signature, you can provide some signature on online or blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are involved with the hash function, and so on and so on. So hash functions are very useful in many cases. And the magic power of hash function, first one, it's very deterministic. It means that same input always produce the same output forever, no matter what. Fixed output size, it's always produce some certain size that we want, and that's very useful as well. And it looks so random. So even you just change something very small, for example, if you put ABC in the hash function, you get some random output, and then you add ABCD, for example, and you add another D into it, and then it looks so completely different from the ABC hash function, something like that, hash output. So it looks so different and collision resistant. This one is pretty technical, but it's said that it's not there's no easy way to find a same output hash from the different input hash. Yeah, so that's make the hash function more secure and that's like make it more useful. All right, and hash functions, we have different kind of hash function, and different country prefer their own version of hash function. Why is that? Because hash function used to be a cryptography, and it's involved in many secure something that's very important. So maybe the government from different country doesn't trust each other, so they try to develop their own hash functions because they are afraid of someone who put the backdoor in the hash function or something like that. So in the US, we have Cha, Kekak, Blake, MD. In China, they have their own version. It's called Shangmi, and then the Russia they also have their own version. So that's the fun facts of the hash function. All right, and the one that we're gonna build together, it's called SHA, and we select the first SHA version. It's SHA-1. Actually, there's a SHA-0, but the SHA-1 is one of the most mass adoption of the hash function. Right now, it's not secure anymore, but we're just gonna learn it for the educational sake. So no worries. Yeah, this is what we're gonna get into it. And SHA stands for Secure Hash Algorithm. All right, and the outline of the videos of this video playlist, it's going to be turning text into numbers. We will learn how do we turn text into the numbers, and then we do bitwise operation to manipulate the data, and then we learn some concept about modular arithmetic, and then we go to the big picture of the hash function, and then we learn the most important things, which is the compression function. All right, I hope you don't give up for the 5 video series, and if you know some of this subject already, you can just like feel free to skip it. Yeah. All right, let's get started.